If you have a Shopify store, these 5 on-site strategies are for you to help boost sales and improve your on-site experience using Justuno. Here we go. Hi, I'm Adrian Hunter, Vice President of Sales and Partnerships at Justuno. Here are 5 CRO tips to boost sales on your Shopify store today. First, add in countdown timers. These create a sense of urgency and excitement while letting visitors know that something is available for a limited time only. They may be your sale ending soon, low stock of a popular product, or that your new collection launches this week. Nothing works quite like FOMO, fear of missing out, which is why countdown timers average an impressive 29% engaged conversion rate. Second, use dynamic threshold banners to boost average order values while letting shoppers know where they stand with regards to your offer. This works well for a countdown to earning free shipping or how much more they need to spend to unlock a free gift or higher discount code. This adds an element of gamification to the on-site experience, enticing more visitors to convert during that session for fear of missing out on the deal they've already earned. Third, for returning visitors who previously added items to their cart, show them a reminder pop-up of what they left behind. Not only encourage window shoppers to revisit their previously browsed items, but personalize the experience, making it much easier for them to finally convert. This is especially effective for those with longer sales cycles, where visitors return multiple times to their website before finally purchasing. Clearly show shipping and returns info in a banner on-site pop-up to prevent abandoned carts before they happen. 25%, that's a quarter, of customers say unexpected shipping costs or why they abandon carts. That includes myself. While unclear return policies can drive away customers looking for a reason to buy. The transparency will build trust and boost lifetime value in the long run. This is always a best practice, but especially critical during the holiday season when orders often need to be delivered by a certain date. Finally, use intelligent product recommendations to put visitors through the funnel, providing a dynamic source of personalization on every page on your website. Target a new visitor with best sellers embedded on your homepage. Suggest products based on previous order history on product pages. And you can even embed frequently bought together cross-selling in cart or on-store checkout pages. These average a 35% engagement rate for Justuno customers, making them an easy to boost sales on your Shopify store. These are just 5 ways you can use Justuno to boost sales on your Shopify store through conversion optimization and personalization. If you want to learn more about Justuno, everything it can do for your business, just reach out to us. We're happy to talk. For more tips and helpful info, remember to subscribe to the Justuno channel. Thanks for watching.